2027 Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hopman.
We may have already seen it running at the bottom of our screen, a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of Grant County, Crawford County. That goes until 7 o'clock this evening. As of right now, things are pretty quiet across southern Wisconsin. However, notice more of that cloud cover scooting in over the western half of the region, all thanks to that. A well-organized cluster of shower and thunderstorm activity rolling across parts of north central, now eastern Iowa, pushing east, but over the last, I would say, hour or so, taking a bit of a southeasterly turn south of Manchester, Iowa, which means we could see that system miss portions of Grant County. That being said, that watch in Grant County until 7 o'clock this evening, though, you can see those severe thunderstorm warnings across portions of east central Iowa at this time. The majority of us, however, again, relatively quiet, dry, tranquil, hot, right? That's the story today. Heat and humidity. Temperatures today, 86 degrees. Dew point values near 70. Feels like temperatures in the mid to low 90s. So we got a lot of heat. We have a lot of humidity helping to fuel those shower and storm chances. Watch this. You can see those showers and storms still off to our west over parts of Iowa, but additional shower and thunderstorm activity firing up near Minneapolis. That could bring about our secondary threat of potentially strong to severe storms. A 2 on the threat index for essentially the eastern 2/3 of the state, if you want to use those fractions you learned in elementary school. Well, we have that 2 out of 5, essentially damaging winds, hail threat through this evening. So going hour by hour, this is your 6 o'clock future track here. Notice showers and storms firing up to our north and west, pushing southeastward into parts of western and southwestern Wisconsin through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. Have that 27 Storm Track app downloaded. Anytime a warning is issued for your area, it will alert you. So yes, some of these storms could roll through overnight tonight. And again, damaging wind up to 50, 60 miles per hour. Also, we're talking a potential hail threat as well. We could see peaks of sunshine early tomorrow, 65 at 7 o'clock in the morning. By 10, right around 76 degrees. Quickly warming right back up. More heat, more humidity, more thunderstorm fuel, right? A 1 on the threat index essentially for the entire state on Saturday. And breaking that down, watch what happens. Picking up that future track at 6 o'clock in the morning, a well-organized cluster of shower and thunderstorm activity rolls across the northern half of the state. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. We fast forward a few hours. We see that cluster push further off to the south, possibly seeing some severe weather threat enter portions of southern Wisconsin as early as 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then continuing on through 7 through about 10 o'clock. Some of these showers and storms still packing quite the punch. So another hot one tomorrow, 89 your high temperature Saturday. Pop-up showers and storms, a possibility throughout tomorrow evening. 5 right around 87, 84 at 7 o'clock. On Sunday, showers, thunderstorms, and you guessed it, another round of potentially strong to severe storms on tap. In fact, essentially a redo of Saturday, right? A 1 on the threat index for the majority of the state come Sunday, and that will have you likely just keeping an eye on those skies once again at the end of our weekend. 84 your high temperature Sunday. Monday, we're topping out right around 86 degrees. Tuesday, continuing chances of scattered showers and storms, a high temperature of 82 that day. Wednesday, 78 and sunny.